Do you struggle to find time to learn English? Does the hustle and bustle of everyday life leave you with little to no time to focus on language learning? Well, you're not alone. Many people find themselves in the same predicament. But guess what? It's entirely possible to learn English, or any other language for that matter, even with a jam-packed schedule. Today we're going to walk through a step-by-step guide on how to incorporate English learning into your busy routine. Step 1. Identify pockets of time. Look at your day and identify small pockets of time where you can squeeze in some language learning. It could be while commuting, during lunch breaks, or even when waiting for a meeting to start. Remember, consistency matters more than the length of time you spend studying. Step 2. Make use of technology. In this day and age, technology is your best friend. There are countless language learning apps available that can help you learn English in bite-sized lessons. You can use these during your identified pockets of time. Step 3. Listen to English content. This can be done while doing chores, driving, or during any other passive activity. Podcasts, audiobooks, or even English music can help improve your listening skills and vocabulary. Step 4. Practice speaking. This might seem difficult in a busy schedule, but it's not impossible. Use your phone to record yourself speaking in English. You can then listen to it later and identify areas of improvement. Step 5. Incorporate English into your daily life. Try to use English in your daily activities as much as possible. This can be as simple as making a shopping list in English or reading the news in English. Step 6. Stay motivated. Remember why you started in the first place and don't lose sight of your goal. Learning a language takes time and patience, but with determination, you can certainly achieve your language learning goals. To summarize, finding time to learn English in a busy schedule involves finding small pockets of time, making use of technology, listening to English content, practicing speaking, incorporating English into daily life, and staying motivated. Remember, learning English or any new language is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's about making small, consistent efforts that will eventually lead to great results. So don't get disheartened if you don't see immediate progress. Keep at it and you'll surely reap the rewards of your efforts. And with that, we wrap up today's discussion. Remember, it's not about having time, it's about making time. So go ahead and make time for your English learning journey. Happy learning!